Welcome everyone to the OpenMappingLab YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain how to use satellite imagery as a background in JOSM and how to adjust its visibility. First, we need to download OpenStreetMap data into JOSM. Then, go to the Imagery menu in the main menu bar and add the default Esri world imagery as a background. Now, let's look at some of the settings that help us adjust the imagery. Opacity controls the transparency of the imagery. Colorfulness adjusts how vivid or dull the colors look. Gamma changes the brightness and contrast. Sharpness controls how clear or blurred the imagery appears. In the Layer panel, you can manage imagery layers and OSM data layers. You can reorder them, hide or show them, or even add more imagery layers depending on your needs. When working with satellite imagery, sometimes you may notice a small shift caused by the satellite's angle or path. To fix this, you can adjust the imagery offset so the imagery matches the OSM features more accurately. In the next videos, I will continue sharing more tips for using JOSM effectively. Thank you all for watching.